Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. So I want to go a little bit about Bitcoin, and I wanted to tell you guys why I'm extremely bullish right now. But short term, I do see a potential low side again of Bitcoin. Not a big one, but I do think we might have a small retest of certain prices before going to the upside. Right now, I think this is going to be the final drop before we rally to the upside. Um, Keep in mind, all I'm waiting for is for the daily to actually go bullish. That's it. All I care about is the daily to go bullish. I don't really care about any other indicators. I don't care about the stochastic is overbought, which means that if we do push, we're going to push extremely hard in crypto, um, or specifically for Bitcoin. But as of right now, all I'm waiting for is for this daily to close bullish. I'm waiting for a daily candle to be on the bullish side. That's it. As of right now, it does look like in the next couple of hours we are going to be closing another bear cycle. Last time this happened, we dropped from what highs 57.5 down to lows of 54k. I'm expecting a similar drop, something probably along the lines of 54.5 maybe. But again, the next time we actually close a bull cycle on Bitcoin, I'm going to be going extremely heavy, and I'm going to be very leveraged on my Forex account. I think this is possibly the final drop before we actually run to the upside, especially with the daily looking like it's losing some bear momentum. And really, it hasn't done any. Look at that. We actually triggered it October 8th, and what's it been doing? Right on October 8th, price was 53.7. We're at 57.5. We haven't even. This bear cycle has been absolutely nothing to Bitcoin. It's been trading up. So that's what I'm saying. On this next 4 hour bear close, I am fully expecting us to more than likely drop back down to possibly this level of 54.5. But if we do end up dropping here, I am 100% going on an extremely leveraged position to the upside. So I will be buying Bitcoin on my Forex account. There's, I don't want to go into that too much, but I think this is going to be the final drop right here, possibly, before running to the upside. So again, as soon as we have another bull trigger to the upside, I am more than likely 100% buying Bitcoin on that floor and then riding it up, because on the long term, on the weekly, we did close bullish. I am 100% of Bitcoin right now, and you guys already know within the next 250 days after October 31st, if we close the month bullish also, then I am expecting an $84,000 Bitcoin in the next, I don't know, possibly 270 days from today. But again, we have to close that month. We have to close the month bullish, which is it does look like we're already having indications of that. So after October 31st, I'm fully expecting to see an 84k Bitcoin within 250 days. So my position on Forex is probably going to stay open until we hit that 84k. I'm not really going to be selling it or anything, but yeah, I think we're getting extremely close to the floor, and I think it's going to happen pretty soon. Where I think we're going to go back down one more time, maybe to 54.5, before we really jump to the upside. So anywhere between this range, we might actually see like 56.5, 54.5, somewhere around this range. But I think for the most part, I'm only going to be getting in after we close another bull cycle on the 4 hour, and I think that's going to be the start of the big rally on Bitcoin. And again, still for the daily, you have to wait for another daily close on the bull side. But I think this is the bottom. I think, like I said, we're going to drop a little bit, and then we're going to start really pushing hard to the upside, especially with October possibly closing bullish for the month. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.